So, question number 6 of height and distance. So, the question given us a 1.5 meter tall boy. Question number 6. I hope it is clear. A 1.5 meter tall boy. Okay. Is standing at some distance. I think you can see, standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. From a 30 meter tall building. Okay, then the angle of elevation from his eyes. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building, to the top of the building, top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. As he walks towards the building. Okay, towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay, so what you have to do? There is a 1.5 meter boy. Suppose it is AB. Then there is another here. This is what? Standing some distance 30 meter from a top of the building. Say from 30 meter tall building. Means this is your building here. This is CD. This is 30 meter. Okay. Now the question is the angle of elevation from his eye. Eye is here. The angle of elevation. Elevation means you have to go up. This angle is how much? Now 30 degree. Okay. Then increases from 30 to 60. So when he is standing here, it is 30 degree. When he walks towards this way, means this fellow has reached here. Suppose PQ. Then the angle becomes 60 degree. This becomes 60 degree. Okay now? Okay. If this is 1.5, this is also 1.5. This is suppose X. This part. And total is Y. Total is Y. If this total is Y, this is also Y. This is suppose E point. So how to solve? Look at here. So you can say AB and PQ are same. AB equals to PQ, that is 1.5 meter. AP he is walking. Suppose AP equals to X. Okay. Now look here. This is your 30 meter. That means this is also 1.5. So what is then DC? DC is 30 meter. Out of which EC, this is also EC. EC is 1.5. Then what about DE? DE equals to 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5 meter. This became 28.5 meter. Okay, this is X. This one I have taken as Y total. Or I can take this part as Y. This is Y. This is also Y. Okay now? Okay, let's take first you take this triangle, DEQ triangle. You take DEQ triangle. So if you take DEQ triangle, in DEQ triangle, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is perpendicular by base. That is, I have taken QE equals to Y. Okay. So tan 60 how much? Tan 60 equals to perpendicular DE by base is QE. Okay, tan 60 is how much? Tan 60 is root 3. This is 28.5 divided by Y. Cross multiplication. Root 3Y equals to 28.5. Y equals to 28.5 by root 3. So you got this one. Now back to 30 degree. 30 degree means always you have to take with perpendicular now. This is your 30 degree triangle. So what will you write? Then which triangle you have to take? You have to take BDE triangle or DBE triangle. In DBE triangle, tan 30 equals to perpendicular by base. BE by base means total you have to take. BE. Always you remember angle you have to take with perpendicular, not with this side. This will be wrong. With perpendicular you have to take. So tan 30 how much? Tan 30 equals to 1 upon root 3 equals to DE. DE is how much? 28.5 divided by this total. This total is X plus Y. X plus Y. Now do cross multiplication. X plus Y equals to 28.5 root 3. This will go here, this will go here. Okay, now put the value of Y. Y is how much? 28.5 by root 3. So implies X plus 28.5 by root 3 equals to 28.5 root 3. Okay, now you can drop it. You can simplify because you want to find X. X equals to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. So LCM is root 3. This root 3 will be multiplied here. 28.5 into root 3 will be 3 minus 28.5. Okay. Then what you do is, simplification is don't multiply, take common here. So what is common? X equals to 28.5 common, 3 minus 1 because you have taken common here. So 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. So that is 28.5 into 2 by root 3. Okay, 28.5 is how much? 57.0 by root 3. Okay, rationalize. Okay, so if you rationalize, what will you get? Then you will get, implies x equals to 57 into root 3 by root 3. By 3. Root 3 is 3. 3 cancelled here, 19. Therefore x equals to 19 root 3 meter. Okay. Okay, see the next question then. That is question number 7. Question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top, the angles of elevations of angles of elevation of bottom and top of a transmission tower. Bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at the top of a top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Okay, find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay, so how to solve? Look, there is a point on the ground, a ground. Then there is a building suppose BC. This is 20 meter. Okay. Transmission tower. Tower is which one? CD. Tower. Then what you find? Now this angle, bottom and top. This angle is 30. This total angle is 60. Okay. From the point to the bottom, from the point to the top, this small angle is 30, bigger angle is 60 degree. So you are asked to find height of the tower, that is DC. So you can write here. So you can write DC, that is tower, that is X. So I have taken this one as X. BC, that is building, that is 20 meter. Okay. Rest not given. ABS ground, that is suppose Y. So two angles given, two triangles. First look at which one? 30 degree triangle. Which one? CAB triangle. In CAB triangle, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 perpendicular by base. BC by AB. Tan 30 का value 1/√3. BC is 20 by Y. Cross multiplication. Y will come here. Y equals to 20√3. First equation you got. 60 degree which triangle? In DAB triangle. Tan 60 degree. Perpendicular by base means DB by AB. DB by AB. DB by AB. So tan 60 how much? √3. DB. DB means X plus 20 divided by Y. This is Y. Okay, what is the value of Y? 20√3, put here 20√3. Implies √3 equals to X plus 20 by 20√3. Don't cancel this. Sometimes you do a mistake with this. You cannot cancel these two. You have to do a cross multiplication. So what will you get? √3 into 20√3. This into this equals to X plus 20. So √3 into √3 is how much? 3. 23 is 60 equals to X plus 20. X equals to 60 minus 20. 40 meter. That is transmission tower. Okay. See the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, what is question number 8? That is a statue 1.6 meter tall 1.6 meter tall, stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is how much? Is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Height of okay. Try to see. You have to remember some points. Statue is 1.6 meter tall, stands on the top of a pedestal. So if I rub this part, if I take this is a total, this is statue, this is pedestal A, B, C. Okay, angle of elevation top of the statue. There is a point here. This is the point. Suppose D. Top of the pedestal is how much? 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal means this point 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. This is your 60 degree. So this is 1.6. So this is x, this is y. Okay, now you take 45 degree, you get one relation. Take 60 degree, get another relation. Just like previous question, you can solve. Complete this. Similar to the previous question, complete it. Okay, a similar question I will not solve, you will try. Now let us see another question, that is question number 9. The angle of elevation of top of a building, the angle of elevation of a top of building from the foot of a tower, from the foot of a tower is 30 degree, and the elevation and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, if the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Find the height of the building. Okay, so what you have to see is angle of elevation of a top of building from the foot of a tower. This is what you have to understand. Okay, so there are two things you have to draw here. So one has to be like this, one has to be like this. A, B, C, D. Okay, so that is, look, angle of elevation of top of building, angle of elevation of top of building, that means this is your building. From where? From the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Foot of the tower, this is your tower. This is your 30 degree. This is important for you to understand. This is your 30 degree. Okay. Then what is there? And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Top of the tower. from the foot of the building. Foot of the building is this one. This is 60 degree. Okay, this is given you 50 meter. So you can take AC equals to, suppose, X, DC equals to Y. This is your Y. Okay, then tower AB equals to 50 meter. So what you have to look at here, if you take, this is your X, this is Y, first you take this triangle. In this triangle you will get one relation, tan 60 equals to perpendicular by base. You will get one relation, tan 60 equals to perpendicular by base, so X will come out. Then tan 30 equals to again perpendicular by base, then Y by X, X value will put, you will find out. So this is homework for you. Try to complete this, remaining we will do tomorrow.